Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Oromia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, about 2 days ago, Ethiopian National Defense Force claimed that the soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force had taken control of Zarima after a heavy fight with Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, Zarima is located on the B30 highway between Adi Arke and Dibarake. While now some photos from Ethiopian National Defense Force are also shared that you can see on your screen. According to these pictures, it has been claimed by Amhara forces that during the war in Zarima, Amhara forces have gained control over Tigray Defense Force weapons with the help of Ethiopian National Defense Force. Viewers, weapons included a bunch of AK pattern rifles, RKMS, W85 HMGS, RPG round and M37 82mm mortars with ammunitions. Viewers, as Zarima is located on the B22 highway between Chiobar and Dibarak, if this claim of the Amhara forces proves to be true, then the supply line of Tigray Defense Force Dabet Gondar front will be cut. Viewers, on the other hand, many reliable sources say that the United States today or tomorrow will announce sanctions and further actions, including flight restrictions of specific individuals from Ethiopia and Eritrea that have conducted wrongful violence or other abuses against people of Tigray, and those who have hindered access of humanitarian assistance to Tigray, as well as removal of Ethiopia from Africa Growth and Opportunity Act. And moreover, the United States administration is expected to issue an ultimatum for negotiations to Ethiopia, Tigray and Amhara forces, as well as complete withdrawal of Eritrean forces, and the United States is said to be prepared to use all means necessary at its disposal to enforce its ultimatum. And on behalf of Oromo Liberation Army, it is being claimed that after heavy fighting, Oromo Liberation Army soldiers have taken full control of Sasiga district in east of Vlaga, and also shared a video from Oromo Liberation Army regarding this, which I will share with you at the end. This video can be seen that Oromo Liberation Army soldiers celebrating with civilians, and on the other hand, Oromo Liberation Army forces growing fast and marching in various parts of Oromia. So viewers, let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.